How to remove WhatsApp number on Facebook page. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you to the process. So let's just get started. First of all, go over to your Facebook using the application or your website and log in and check out. Now, what you may do is look out for the menu, tap on it, open it up, and switch over to your Facebook page now. Just go ahead and switch it over like this, and you will be switching to your Facebook page. Once you switch over to your Facebook page, look out for the menu bar again. And from here, go ahead and access the settings of your Facebook page. Look out for settings option. Open it up and go over the settings. Now, what you need to do is from your Facebook page, you need to go ahead and look out for the section, which is this page details right here. You can go ahead and access it through your settings or to your profile. So once you access your page settings here, when you scroll, you should be finding this contact info section right here. So right now I have not added any WhatsApp number, but when you go ahead and tap on this number right here, you need to enter up a number and a code will be sent to WhatsApp. You just need to verify it, and there you will be finding your WhatsApp that has been connected. So if you'd like to remove it, you may come to the section right here. After that, go ahead and click the remove option and then confirm your decision. And that way, you can remove the WhatsApp number from your Facebook page very directly. So if you'd also like to remove WhatsApp number on Facebook page, you may follow up this method. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.